Welcome to page 18 of Accel Pkt number 3. We're going to solve some equations today, and you have some options when it comes to the distributive property. Let's take a closer look at our two practice problems. In each case, I'm going to drop a dotted line, breaking the equation into a left and right-hand side. Now, take a look at our first problem. I'm going to slide a 1 behind that negative sign to remind myself that we're distributing -1. When solving an equation like this, you have the option of distributing the -1 to each of those terms. We get -9 plus 2x equals -29. Now that our parentheses are gone, let's solve. We're going to add 9 to both sides. We get 2x equals -20. And then we're going to divide both sides by a +2. Thinking about Margar, we know that a negative divided by a positive gives us a -10. So that's one option. Distribute the -1. Here's the other option. Let's take a look at our second practice problem. We see that we could distribute a -2. However, you also have this option. In order to eliminate that -2, you could divide the right side by -2 and the left side by -2. What remains? Well, we have the quantity -3x plus 6, and on the left side, a negative divided by a negative gives us a positive result. We get a +12. Now solve the two-step equation. Start by taking 6 away from both sides. We get 6 equals -3x, and then divide both sides by -3. Your end result, -2 equals x. Let's take a look at the bottom of the page. You're going to solve problems 1 through 4. Drop a dotted line down each equation, and let's use technique number 2 in order to solve these equations. Let's eliminate the value in front of the parentheses by dividing each side by that value. Practice that. You're going to pause the video, solve these 4 problems, and at the end you can turn the video back on and check your work. When you're done with that, go on to the next step in the Google Classroom. Pause the video now and solve these 4 problems. Let's check our work. For number 1, k equals 4. For number 2, 9 equals w. For number 3, p equals -6. And for number 4, m equals 4. This concludes the video for page 18.